Okay, Neo is consolidating after the bad earnings that we had back in the 20th of November. The good thing, guys, we're still holding the $4.30 is mean the buyers is still there. In today's video, we have to discuss where the price will end at, or where's the price target before the end of this year. Because this is not it, guys. There's another jump will happen, or another pump will happen if we break only one level to confirm another buyer for Neo. Because right now it's discounted, guys. Neo is discounted. The selling pressure slowed down. And of course, last Friday, we close around 0.00%. So this is not normal percentage, guys. Usually we have to close in green or red. So this is kind of bot trading Neo right now. They need it below this level or around this price target for and like preparation for another jump. So we have to discuss this deeper, and of course how we make money from Neo before the end of this year. This is why you're watching this video, guys, to make money and of course buying at the right price value for Neo or whatever stock you're gonna buy. So guys, again, this is not a financial advice. Always do your due diligence, and of course if you want to have early access and of course live streaming before even the market open, the link comes section below to our Discord and Patreon, and join us on Patreon or on YouTube at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, daily live streaming where we're gonna discuss Neo live for tomorrow market. For now, guys, what's going on? Neo went up, of course, almost 70%, and then give all of it away back in September, where we discussed this descending channel rejection. We already discussed this on our Discord, and we said this channel is still didn't be is not broken yet. So we're not in bullish run yet because we need to break this in the big picture to confirm that Neo will go over the $10. But unfortunately, we didn't. However, the good thing is we're still holding the $4.30. We didn't have like a total domination for the seller, but we still have the buyers that bought Neo back on the earnings on the 5th of September. So what's that mean? It mean it's not game over, and it mean the investor and market maker still seeing some potential for Neo to go higher. The volatility is good, 44 million last Friday. So we have more action, more people trading Neo. So this is a good thing. However, the only thing that's preventing Neo from going up is we got a big seller here. And we have a big buyer here. That's why we close around 0.00% for Neo. So this is not normal, guys. Usually, as we said, either in red or in green, not in between. So this is a good reaction that Neo closed on Friday around this price target. And of course, now on Monday and even next week, guys, should be the bottom for this year around the $4.30. Because if we held this level, is mean we are preparing for another jump up for Neo before the end of this year. How are we gonna confirm that? This will be a great question. Then $4.92, guys. This is the confirmation for the buyer started to buy Neo. So next week, guys, if we saw the $5, oh brother, this mean we're gonna have a really good action, like what happened before here, a huge green candle. Look at this. What happened here? We have 14%, and again here we got 25% in a few days. This is could happen again once we break first around the $4.90, or if we have at least 1 hour closing candle, green candle over the $4.92, this will be a good reaction that Neo will start to jump again. How much? Yeah, this is will be around the first jump will be just below the 10% up, and after that the second jump should be around 10%. So we got 10%, 10% jump, not in just one day, 20%. This will be, yes, plausible and not impossible, but the more realistic price target in one day should be 10% or less for Neo, because the sellers is still there, guys, for Neo, and still shorting Neo after the bad earnings that we have on 20th of November, or this month, of course. No, last month. Yes, last month. So this is it, guys. We need to accumulate before we jump. The other question that I get like lately, recently, for Neo, when we gonna do that? And the answer is nobody knows. This is the trick, guys. In the market, we can't know for certain when. We know for probability wise, when we break the resistance, yes, we know that the price will go up. But before that, nobody knows when the market maker will buy. It's like you will never know that your neighbor will open the door and go to shop for his like go to buy bread or whatever. Like in here in France, we like bread so much and everybody buying fresh bread every day. There's a pattern. So if you watch your neighbors like 24 hours, yeah, this is really creepy. You can see a pattern when your neighbor will get out from his house, and then you can follow him and take his baguette. We say bread is baguette in French. So the same here. If you watch closely, Neil, you will have probability when the market maker will buy. Not 100%, because sometimes your neighbor will oversleep, sometimes he will never be there, sometimes he will, I don't know, go to vacation. So you never know for sure, but there's a pattern. Usually your neighbor will go around 10 o'clock in the morning to or 9, where the breakfast time for French people, and you just guess when he will get out, unless you have inside information which will give you the time, right time when your neighbor will get out from his house. And this is kind of illegal, even in market, of course, to know those information. So I don't bother about knowing 100%, but I will know about a probability. So it's kind of, you have to be creep as a trader to know the pattern. If you know what to know the pattern of people, you have to watch them closely in order to find the pattern and when the price will jump for any stock. So right now, just concern yourself with the alert, or just put alert around the $4.92, which is will give us a first signal that the price will go up at least around the $5.37, and after that around the $6. This is should be really good if it happened before the end of this year for Neo, to give us a good start for the next year and go even around or over the $7.60, around and even around the $10. So let me know, guys, the price target for Neo in comment section below. Do you think Neo will go toward the $10 or below the $3? There's no in between. There's two levels. Either we continue to go down hard, or we're gonna go back up really pretty good and break this bearish channel in the big picture. So thank you for watching, guys, and remember, see you by tomorrow around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Bring your popcorns and of course your holy water, and let's hunt for the second week on December. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.